video. Yeah, that was me fighting. Can you believe it? Can you see how real it is? Let's look at it. Wow. Wow. So real. Look at the motion, look at the kit, look at the fight mode, look at everything. Just real. Just this other one too. That's me also. So real. Look at the physics, look at everything, look at how the flying kick. Look, just look at it. Man, wow. That's nice. That's nice. Look at me coming out like a celebrity. Look at people welcoming me from the airport. That's how real it is. With the movement, the camera, the people, the congregation cheering. Just take a look at it. Now this lady, you can see how she flies into the football pitch. They grab the American football and kick it. That's it. What if you could direct a cinematic movie without cameras, actors, or an editing team? Imagine typing a single prompt, uploading a few images, maybe a reference video or audio clip, and watching AI generate an entire film scene with Hollywood level camera movement, perfect lip sync, immersive sound design, and consistent character across multiple shots. Well, that feature is officially here. Today we are diving into Seedance 2 by ByteDance, the next generation AI video model that's changing the game for creators, filmmakers, YouTubers, and storytellers everywhere. From multimodal generation that combine text, images, videos, and audios to director-level cinematic camera control to built-in audio generation with realistic dialogue and lip sync. Seedance 2 isn't just another AI tool, it feels like a full video production studio. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how Seedance 2 works, what makes it different from every other AI generator right now, and how you can create stunning AI film, just like what I did in those videos in just a few steps. So if you're ready to create videos that look straight out of Netflix for a big budget commercial, let's get into it. Okay, we are here on the Imagine Art AI browser. On our browser, we are visiting Imagine AI. This is the platform we're going to use to create our video by using Seedance 2.0 model. Of course, you know Seedance 2.0 model is the best model in town right now, and it gives you multimodal support, combine text, images, videos, and audio to guide your videos across multiple scenes. And also you can upload up to 9 images, you can upload up to 3 audios or videos, the total of 15 seconds as a reference to create cohesive and visually consistent video to match your creation, your creative vision. So Seedance is a top-notch model which can give you full control over lighting, and it gives you director level camera control and gives you control over lighting, shadows, performance while handling advanced camera moves like tracking, dulling, point of view, rack focus shots, and can provide a reference videos. And Seedance 2.0 AI model, video model, will reproduce it with cinematic precision. That is what Seedance 2.0 is. As you can see all the videos I've created using Seedance 2.0. And of course, you know, Seedance 2.0 also gives you built-in audio. It has built-in audio generation and lip sync, and with that you can create audio alongside your video to produce clear dialogue, synchronized sound effect, and immersive music automatically. So context-aware audios and precise lip sync ensures audios matches the action and timing in your video, and removing the need for extra post-production. So this is how to use Seedance 2.0. When you get to the Imagine Art platform, you pick the model to get started. You select Seedance 2.0, just like what I've done. You select Seedance 2.0. This is Seedance 2.0 over here. This is it. Seedance 2.0 over here, and it has the effects panel. If you want to put some effect, this is the effect panel. So a lot of effect. You can see some Seedance effect. You can toggle around the effect and see how you want your video effect to be like. Oh, I'm not using effect, I'm just using a text prompt and an image. So then you enter a detailed prompt and upload a reference image or video or audio files to define your style, mood, and visual of your project. You can upload as many files across different formats to guide your output. So you can see this is how I made this video that I'm fighting, that I displayed at the beginning. So it's just the same way we're going to do everything. Let me select. Okay, let me select my picture. I already have my pictures here, so I can just select it from over there. So I have my text. Over here. So, okay, I can just pick up my text over here, put it here. I put my text prompt over here. There's no need to put the last frame in this type of video. I'm trying to do this celebrity video. Let me start with this celebrity video right here. So I can now change my adjust timing to align my video. Let me choose 10 seconds. Output 9, aspect ratio 9:16, 70. It's always good to leave it on 70, 20p or 1080. Let me leave it to 720. And if you talk around here, you see the generation cost. Generation will cost me 1,612 credit. And you know, Seedance 2 is a very expensive model, so it takes a lot of credit. So I have my prompt here, well written, well arranged. Then once I generate, I'll be able to get this type of video which I displayed at the beginning. Okay, to get something like you can see, a little bit drives off. So that is how I was able to do something like this. And for the fighting video, I have my fighting prompt. I have my fighting prompt. Let me get them over here. And one good thing about this, you can steal other people's prompt and use them. Like this, I got it from an influencer, and I have to twist it to my own taste, which I use to generate the video. It's the epic fighting scene. Okay, so you can see I just copy the prompts. That's all. Let's come to imagine art flow with my Seedance 2 model, still using the same image. Paste it. 9:16, 720. I generate. That was how I was able to get this fighting point, this fighting scene. You can see me fighting like Jason Statham. You can see me fighting. You can see the motion. I'm just an image. This is the fighting scene. And I also did another part again, the second part, because I was able to generate 10 seconds from the first one and 5 seconds from the second, and I merged them to using my editing app. Okay, this is the other version of that side. Okay. 10 seconds, 10 seconds. So, and this is another fighting scene I generated again with another prompt, not that same prompt, another prompt.
Hey you, we want your phone and your bag.
See,
Do it now.
we just an image. For the second one, I use this second image. I use this image. You can see I'm wearing my cap in this image. This is the image I use for this second fight scene. This is the image I use. So you can see it's wearing everything perfectly, resemblance not changing, shirts appearance not changing. Sometimes AI can show some kind of funny things, so you just have to edit them when you final edit. I was able to merge the video and achieve what I you can see how Seedance 2 gives you the best director level camera control, full control over lighting, shadows, and performance. Everything about Seedance 2 is very real, very authentic. Let me show you the last video of the female model I did that ran like into the pitch, the American football model. Okay, okay. I had a picture over there, then I placed her prompt I used for her. This I thought 10 seconds is okay. I don't know, you can do more than 11 seconds, but I will need to upgrade this platform. You can do more than 10 seconds, highest 15 seconds you can do, but 10 seconds is just okay. 9 by 16, 17, and when you generate, you'll be able to get something like what I showed you in the beginning, or the way she ran into the pitch and kicked the American football off. So for so you can see the Seedance 2.0 is very real. That's all the videos I've created, especially these fighting videos. These videos 1, 2, 3, 4. The one I displayed is using I use it as 2.0 for it. So if you want to sign up and get access to Seedance 2.0, you can see use the link in my description to sign up as well. That's C.2, one of the most powerful AI video generator we have seen so far. With multimodal support, cinematic camera control, built-in audio generation, and realistic lip sync, this tool is pushing AI filmmaking to a completely different level. And the craziest part, we are still only at the beginning of what AI video can do. So if you want to use Seedance 2 for your YouTube video, short films, ad, or content creation, make sure you use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. If you enjoyed this video and want more AI tools, filmmaking techs, and creator tutorials like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any upload. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.